Have you ever felt completely crushed after losing a woman you thought would be by your side forever? A breakup can be one of the toughest moments in life, especially for a man whose emotions take a huge hit. Even the strongest guys can show vulnerability when faced with the end of a relationship. But here's the bigger issue. From endlessly messaging her on social media to engaging in emotional outbursts, these actions can make things worse. The things men do when they're emotionally weak often justify the decision a woman made to leave them. What you need to know. I truly believe that you need to view this situation as a test of your self-esteem and masculinity. Before we dive into how to make her regret losing you, I want to make one thing clear. I only recommend these steps if two conditions apply. The woman truly didn't appreciate you. You gave 100% effort into the relationship. Whether you decide to take her back or not is completely up to you. But here's the truth. Making a woman miss you is not just about getting her back, it's about closure and inner peace. And that feeling is far more satisfying than simply winning her back. If you're dealing with a woman who feels confident and secure in her decision to leave, even if it wasn't justified, adding more emotional hurt will only deepen the wound. That's why it's crucial to ensure she feels some regret for losing you. Steps to make her regret losing you. 1. Avoid dwelling in emotions. Many guys ask, why did she leave me? The simple answer is, she felt she could get someone better. That's it. Something inside her made her think she deserved better. The key to making her regret losing you is to distance yourself without showing excessive emotion. Keep moving forward and focus on becoming an amazing man, as if she doesn't even exist. Women enjoy the emotions men project toward them, whether it's posting on social media or sending endless sorry messages. They feel satisfied with that. Attention. But if you want her to regret her decision, you need to stop feeding her that attention. 2. Use the no contact rule. One of the most important principles in dating psychology is the no contact rule. This may sound harsh, but by doing this you replace her satisfaction with frustration and curiosity. A woman is used to being pursued by men, so don't chase her once she breaks up with you. At first it might be difficult, but you must resist and maintain your masculinity. Don't reach out to her, whether it's through calls or messages. 3. Become an extraordinary man. The most important step to making her regret losing you is to become an exceptional man, competent in everything you do. No woman regrets losing a man who lacks substance. If you work hard to improve yourself, physically, mentally, and financially, you will increase your value in her eyes. The higher you rise on the man hierarchy, the more valuable you'll seem to her. By proving you're better, you'll make her reconsider her decision to leave you. 4. Cleanse and move on. I don't recommend that men who have just broken up immediately seek comfort with another woman. Doing so will only make you run away from your own reality. But once you've healed and worked on yourself, feel free to explore your options. Women will often feel anxious and even jealous when they see you with another woman. There's nothing more painful for a woman than seeing the man she left move on with someone else. This is known as pre-selection. Women are naturally drawn to men who other women find attractive. Conclusion. The biggest factor that makes a woman regret losing you is by showing her the life she's missing out on. Focus on the bigger picture, and don't let yourself fall back into emotional turmoil. Give her the chance to chase you by not chasing her. If she comes back, it's in your hands. But if she doesn't, the ultimate goal is to build unwavering self-confidence and create positive changes in your life that will far surpass the memory of her. I hope this video was helpful. Stay strong, bro.